Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Let's learn how to make chocolate peda. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sasriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com, and today we're going to make a very simple, kind of chocolate peda. And for this, we're going to use a little bit of khoya. In fact, I have a video on how to make khoya, so you can watch that and you can make your own khoya. You can make it with milk, you can use milk powder to do it. So here, we're doing a combination of a couple of things. First, in a kadai, just for the convenience sake, I'm using a bigger kadai. In your house, you can use a non-stick pan, you can use a smaller kadai. Here, both of them are made with one, but this milk powder with the khoya, just to give that kind of strength and all that, we are adding. That means first we're going to put milk and khoya. We're going to cook them on a slow flame. To adjust the consistency, I'm going to add some milk powder. It is the same components. From the milk we made with khoya, and from the milk we made the milk powder. All of them come onto the stove just to give a nice texture to the thing. We want a smooth texture, and in this later we're going to add sugar, and also we're going to add half of the content we're going to use some cocoa powder. So we got all the ingredients here, but each one of them will go differently here. First, we're going to add some milk. In this, we're going to add the khoya, the grated. See, whenever you get khoya at home, it is very easy to do by grating it. After adding the khoya, so just we're going to cook this. This will be converted into a paste. The flame is on at a slow flame, so just the heat mixing will convert this into a paste. So whatever the granules, grain like thing has formed, this cooking process will help it become into a nice peda. So always be very careful that nature of the thickness, it will burn very easily and it will discolor fast. So keep stirring it like this. We're going to add sugar in this. Add all the sugar, but continuously keep mixing. Now what will happen? The sugar will melt with the heat and this will be slightly diluted. We take that opportunity by adding some of the milk powder. Look at this. The thick paste, because of the sugar what will happen? Even if you put in a pan and heat it, it will become melted. So that is what is happening here. This one is melting. So now you understand the quality of sugar also in this. Make sure that the sugar is melted, and in this we are going to add the milk powder to give it the thickness once again. And now if you cool it down, this will pretty much set very fast. Milk powder, and once again cook it. What we are trying to do is we are going to cook it till it is nice, slightly thickened. Then we are going to remove half of it. In the half of it, we're going to add the cocoa powder. So we get two colors in this peda. So the chocolate color and nice white color. So with the combination, these pedas will look unique and will also be very tasty. Look at this. The mixture is all ready. So what we're going to do is, usually in the hotel, in the kadai, we just spread it. This is evenly, it gets cooled down. This is all perfect. And in this, I'm going to add half of it. I'm just going to divide into two colors. I'm going to take half of this out. So here I've got a spoon. So some of this, okay. Some half of it I've taken here. And the other half, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to add some cocoa powder. Nice, the chocolate color. That should be good enough. Otherwise, it will become very hard. This mixture, I'm just going to mix it. It gets that nice chocolate color. Once this is all set, we're going to scrape it, and then we're going to make this nice chocolate pedas with this mixture. Just remove these strips, make two separate ones. After that, make them both white and black chocolate fall in love, just like this. And then you can cut them into the small pieces, whatever you want, and then make little pedas of this. Kids will just love the combination of this. Even me, totally love it. So just, make pedas like this. Look at them, a little bit of chocolate and all that. So you can make this at home and your kids will just love it. Instead of just white pedas, now you have colored combination peda. Little bit marble kind of thing. This is small. Just make it like this. And you have this lovely, the two kinds of peda, the chocolate as well as the white marble effect on this, and make this kids, what they want some variety. When you serve them, they will feel, my God, this is not available anywhere. And my mom or my dad makes these special things which are just awesome. Winning the love of children is very difficult, and winning their love with the food is the easiest one. So you can buy them lots of toys no matter what, but for the rest of their lives, they will be talking about what wonderful they had at home. These are ready. I'm going to make some more, and then we are ready to eat. You can also take the pedas, just take a fork, and you can just make designs like this, and these marble shaped pedas at home. Dear friends, it's very easy to make. This simple, awesome, and you don't have to spend hundreds of rupees buying those expensive chocolates. These are better than those chocolates, homemade. If they say Swiss made, this is homemade, Vahchef made. So just make them and have fun. So these milk based sweets are very tasty, and a lot of people I know, and even me, I am fan of the milk based sweets. So make them, eat them, and keep saying Vareva. Just perfect, and they literally melt in your mouth and super tasty.